like. Hi guys! If you like Piña Colada, you better keep watching because I'm gonna tell you the origin story and we're gonna blend some stuff. Take out your eyes, come with me, and let's hear who made it first. It's Pina Colada time! Let's make one and I'll talk about it while I make it. First thing first, you need 120 ml of pineapple juice. So this cocktail is one of those tropical cocktails that you can see it everywhere in summertime. Basically, it's creamy, fruity. It's like a vacation in a glass. I said 120. Let me find the 60. Okay. So like any other cocktail, there's some drama behind this one as well. So everyone tried to claim that they made the first Piña Colada themselves. So next thing, a bit of a gossip. Both guys named Ramón. A coincidence? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. And now you need to add 60 ml of coconut cream for that creaminess. But can you keep a secret? This is coconut milk I'm using. So shh, let's pretend I'm using a coconut cream so the consistency might not be as I planned. But it is what it is. Add 60 ml in. Some say the first Piña Colada was blended in 1950s in Caribe Hilton Hotel in Puerto Rico. But who knows? The bartender, Ramón Monchito Marrero. Sorry for my pronunciation. Maybe this isn't the correct way of telling the guy's name. You can correct me in the comments. Anyway, he mixed pineapple juice, coconut cream, and rum. And voila, first Piña Colada, maybe. It was in 1954. I'm just telling you the date so you can decide by the end of the video who made the first one. But some other people claim that the first one was actually mixed in a bar called Barachina. Why I cannot take the ice out. In Old San Juan. And this guy, again, Ramón, and his last name was Portas Mingo, actually mixed the first one. He was convinced that he was the first guy who mixed it, that he put a banner outside the restaurant saying that the first Piña Colada was born, not first one, yeah, the first one. Piña Colada was born here. Can you believe that? Like, rivals. But anyway, the first Ramón, he kept serving Piña Colada for 35 years. Can you imagine yourself blending the same thing for over 3 decades? I can't. So, which Ramón did it first? The one blended in 1954 or the one in 1963? So let's blend it and I'll talk later on. Because you cannot hear me anymore. Not plugged. Again, sorry. We're blending. Let's pour our drink in. Closer, actually. So who's telling the truth? You had a couple of seconds to decide while I was blending. To be honest, both of the stories are quite convincing, but Puerto Ricans love this cocktail, so they decided to announce this their national drink. Can you believe that? Oh, these are not in their best condition. Woohoo! Our Pina Colada! Let's go taste it. and talk a bit about how it tastes, actually. Ta-da! Piña Colada here. So let's give it a taste and see why the Puerto Ricans are obsessed with this drink. Is it creamy enough? Fingers crossed. Wow. Obviously, it's not as creamy as it's supposed to be because I used coconut milk, but I totally get the vibe. If I was in a tropical place and wanted a drink, I will go with a Piña Colada. Thumbs up. And thank you, Ramon's. It actually does taste like a vacation in my living room. Because I haven't been to a vacation this summer, so I'm gonna enjoy this to the fullest. And thanks for watching, guys. We're the Tipsy Duo. Stay tuned. I'm gonna come back with more stories about your favorite cocktails. Drop me a comment and let me know which one you want to know next. Bye for now.